Hello everyone, George here, and I'm still recovering from my, whatever this is. I don't know what it is, but it's affecting my voice. Anyway, what we see here is a single panel of the wall from the room. I've already gone in and unwrapped it in the UV space. You can see right here, we've got the front and back side and then all these other sides. The only reason I am going to make this a modular asset is because I'm going to be using this probably over and over again throughout the area. So if we keep the same UV style and so forth, we can use this asset and just change the texture throughout the entire area. Now that I've actually gone ahead and unwrapped it, all we need to do now is go to File, Export Selection, and we're going to go to Substance Painter. And let's find that. So SP, and here we go. And we'll do bathroom wall. Enter. And now let's dive over to Substance Painter and make this actually happen. File New, select, and bathroom wall. Go 2048, hit OK. Zoom out, and let's go ahead and bake stuff. Not like there's much to bake, but we might as well do it. Now this is a bathroom wall, so I'm trying to figure out what I want to do. And obviously that's going to be made out of possibly partially tile, if not all tile, and some kind of a painted wall. So let's look up tile in our texture set. We got Celtic tiles, which is obviously not right. We do have ceramic tiles that are glossy, and I'm thinking that's going to be what we want. So we're going to put that on there first. And yes, obviously the spacing's all wrong. Let's go to triplanar, and let's go to maybe 4 times. That's probably good. And reflectivity is probably a bit high. So let's increase the roughness a bit. That's better. Now we only have a partial reflection. Do we have, let's add normal map to this. And for some reason that side just went to heck. Both sides did. Hold on. That's weird. Anyway, it's fine. It doesn't matter. So now if we're going to paint this, we're also going to need some sort of a paint. And we've got glossy paint, which we can put on our layers tab above this one. And let's see, let's do triplanar. And we also want to go to height, replace, and normal, replace. And we're going to change this probably to something like 2. Much better. Now we just need to figure out where we're actually going to make this happen. And for that, we might want to come at this from a different view. How do I make this isometric? I can't remember. There we go. Okay, so we're going to want to come at this and probably put in some sort of we'll do a black mask here. Let's go to base color. Actually, let's do a white mask here and a black mask here. And we're going to paint on, but I want to paint in a way that I can do a selection, because I just don't want to paint on a thing. I want to actually, it might be better for us to do a cut on the surface of this wall. Let's go to display, show all. And for this wall in particular, I'm going to do a multi-cut. I'm going to put it right there. You know what? There's got to be a way to do this in Substance Painter. So let me think. If we go over to our paintbrushes, those are our alphas. Let's go to our alpha and turn that off. And let's rotate this to be 90 degrees. Where's my rotation? There we go. And then if I just paint, well, that was interesting. And if we click here and then we shift click here, it should go straight across. And you know what? That actually, I think, works. So let's just double check on our paint texture because something weird happened. I'm not sure what it is. So what was that? F7, F6, F5 to go to perspective mode. Let's get out of the paint stuff. You can see right there, it's coming through on the next layer. So something got reset. So let's go back to our height. Replace, normal is replaced. But why do I still see it coming through? Unless this layer doesn't have those, which it doesn't. So we're going to turn that on. And we are also going to go to height and dial that down massively. There we go. But you can still see it right there. So why? If this is replacing it, why would you see it? Is it because of this? Okay, we're going to replace but make the grain intensity really low. So it shouldn't matter. We're also going to take the color and dial that down a little bit. And bring it more into a yellow, I think. All right, so there's what we got for the tiles. Let's take a look at them again. And you know, I don't know if I want blue. I kind of want black or a deep gray. And the joint color I'm going to lower as well. And because of that, I'm going to go to the paint layer and bring that down a little bit as well. And probably, yeah, somewhere in there. Okay. Now the roughness is still not good enough. So that's the paint. Let's go to this. And yeah, you know what? That's okay. All right. Yeah, that's good. Okay. I think we can go with that. So save this. Bathroom wall, enter, and file. Export textures. Let's do Unity 5 occlusion. Not that there will be any occlusion with this, but you know. And we got to choose a folder. All right, and with that, we have a block that we can reuse over and over again for bathrooms. And hopefully that's all we need. I will see you next time. I know this was a short video, but I also think my voice is going, so I gotta protect it. See you next time. So long and goodbye.